Okay, so for the AP question, I'm not going to read the whole problem out loud, but it's basically talking about a tractor pulling a plow with two different hitches and two different plots of land. So part A is what was the response variable in the study, identify the treatments, and what were the experimental units. So the response variable is the recorded drafts. The treatments were the type of hitches used, so that includes the standard and the new hitch. The experimental units were the two plots of land because they're being tested on and receiving the treatments. Part B says, given the goal of the study is to determine whether a newly developed hitch reduces draft compared to the standard hitch, was randomization used properly in the study? Justify your answer. So I said yes, the randomization was used properly because the hitches were randomly assigned to the two plots of land, which prevents selection bias. The measurement points for each field were also randomly selected. Part C says, given the goal of the study is to determine whether a newly developed hitch reduces the draft compared to the standard hitch, was replication properly used in this study? Justify your answer. So I said no, replication wasn't used properly because the treatments were only used one time for the plots of land. There should have been multiple trials done to the land to ensure replication and also to ensure that the results from the first time are accurate and valid. Then part D says plot of land is a confounding variable in this experiment, and we have to explain why. So I said the plot of land was the confounding variable because each plot could have had different terrain, soil type, and moisture, which could have changed the result of the draft. Also, that the fact that there wasn't replication done properly, that just strengthens the statement that the land is a confounding variable.